Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to send money on Cash App without identity verification. So let's get started. You can send money on Cash App without verifying your identity, but you'll be limited to sending $250 per 7 days and receiving $1,000 per 30 days. As long as you stay within these limits, Cash App won't ask for your ID. To send money without verification, follow these connected steps. Open Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, tap the $money icon to start a new payment. Enter the amount you want to send, make sure it's under the $250 limit. After entering the amount, tap Pay. Then you'll be asked to enter the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email. Type it in carefully. Once that's done, you can add a note if you want, like what the money is for. Finally, tap Pay again to confirm and send the money. That's it. Your payment will be sent instantly if everything is correct. But if you try to send more than your allowed limit, Cash App will block the payment and prompt you to verify your identity by entering your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN. And that's it, you are done.